1998, Congo got involved in a war involving 6 other African countries. This resulted in the loss of resources for many of these countries, including Congo, who were hit hard. Now, a majority of Congo's people do not have access to sanitary water because of its poor infrastructure. This problem is ongoing as the country does not have funds to build a better pipe system. Congo is one of the many countries to also suffer from this worldwide issue.
If nothing is done to solve this problem, it would take part in extinctions of some species, and if contaminated water is consumed, it could lead to sickness, infections, exposure of diseases, and even death in third world countries, and soon in first world countries.
Pollution technically started as nomads starting shifting towards a sedentary way of life and increased greatly as thousands of years have gone on. After World War II, the type of pollution changed. The industry started manufacturing materials like different types of plastics and toxic pesticides that would damage the earth and seep into water supply. These materials are not only toxic, but they are materials that don't go away by themselves and are non-biodegradable. This increases the risk for humans to suffer from birth defects and certain diseases. It also makes much of the world's clean water supply toxic, making it hard for humans in areas with little rain to survive.
Water pollution can be both a small and a large-scale problem. The world can eventually run out of clean water if we don't start solving this problem. Some of the countries don't have clean water, which results in more diseases. Individual communities within a large society would eventually get its water cut off if water pollution continues.
Hope for Africa is a group of different people who came together in hopes to cure the water problem in different parts of Africa, including Congo.
Organizations like the Water Project help build better pipe systems in small communities in Africa so young women don't have to walk miles a day just to bring back clean water for their family.
Yes, there are citizen projects already in place for our environmental problem. Studies have been done in Congo and the reasons for water pollution have been spotted.
Congo is the most water-rich country in Africa. Despite having the most water in Africa, only 26% has safe drinking water. This country lacks the funds to be able to cure this water quality problem completely. The number one pollutant is for mining companies. Another thing that could be done is the use of pipes that will allow fresh water to be brought back to the people.
Don't dump household chemicals like Windex or bleach down your toilets or sinks. Also, don't pour pills or any medications either. Try not to use as many pesticides or dispose of any of them because they seep into rivers and get into water supply.
Or try to stop using your toilet or garbage disposal as a trash can. Try composting or recycling as an alternative. Regulate your car's smog emissions because it gets into the air and water supply and absorbs it.
Invest in water-efficient toilets. Also try to install a more efficient watering system for sprinklers. Set up volunteer groups to go to areas of high pollutions and pick up trash. Create more awareness for what the students should do, like making more posters and announcements addressing the worldwide problem.